How to change your country on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your country on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter app. Now this is the home page as you can see, and go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture. Now after you click on it, go down and choose settings and privacy. Now choose the first option, it's your account. Now choose again the first option, account information, and here you will find some options, and here is the country option down here. Click on it and choose your country. If you didn't find your country here, just search here in the search bar for it. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.